this is Jane. Now we are in our workshop. Today we want to share with lots of our customers. They will ask us how to choose press brake. So today we want to show you one of our very good friend custom. We have cooperated 5 years. Every time how we give him good service, how we make one set of very good machine. We can make your machine. This is 125 ton press brake. This is one set of machine we think very effective, good price machine and high efficient. If you want to get a very competitive price CNC press brake, I think this is a very better choice. Now let's show you. This is this custom's metal market. He's a door factory. Every time he give us his door parts details, so we will design the machine tools according to his metal parts. Look, this is our design tools according to his metal parts. We make the metal tools. This is for the bending. Metal parts are bending. Then some goose leg, and for the last step, we make a very perfect group design tool. For the punch, we make a choice of let me show you for the details. For the punch, we make a Z bending for a Z bending, Z punch, and for the die, a group with a hemming die. Let's look at the punch details. This is for the Z bending. This is for hemming die. Let's look at the bending result of this. Now we make the Z bending. We finish the bending, then we make the hemming to make the metal parts 180 degrees. So we will make the perfect this metal part for the custom. So this is with our custom. It's very important you send us your metal parts drawing so that we can design first step the tools according to your metal parts. You know, this custom is a door factory. So their machine structure also need a special design. Look at this 125 press brake. It's very big and strong because we design special for door bending. Look at this throat dips is more bigger and more higher, so that it's easy for make door bending. So we also should design the machines according to your metal parts. Okay, let's see how we meet his other requirement. Because the custom say he wants a very good price and also high efficient, just like a CNC machine, but good price. So we suggest he choose this one of our Celebrate CT8P controller. But the machine match with our torsion bar structure, so that if we also, this is our traditional CT8P controller. Just can for angle programs and x-axis programs. But if he also wants the machine more safe time to adjust his backgauge R-axis, because his metal parts change sometimes, we can save lots of time for him to change the backgauge R-axis up and down. So we improve this controller, add the R-axis functions, match with soft motor, so the machine will be more easy to adjust the R-axis. Let's show you how we meet all this requirement. Now the R-axis 270. So now we should change to 190. Okay, start. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let's come. So this is just a torsion bar axis CNC press brake, but we meet his all the requirements. Also, we give his other suggestions. You know, for the very long full bending, 3.2 meter better bending. If we want to make a bigger good bending result, the both side, cylinder side have big pressure, but the middle parts may be not bending result. So we also make the machine with the crowning table for him, so that it also can improve the machine bending result accuracy. This is one case we show to our customer. Our RONGWIN can make the machine according to all your requirements. No matter you want very good price machines or very good beautiful design. Look at our machine design. It's very beautiful design. Also, you want to make a machine very high accuracy, or any others, such as if you want a machine, it's very safety machines. You can tell all your requirements, so that we will make the machine according to your requirement. Okay, thank you.